Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? How are you all, beta? Only four students are still now. Manpreet. Good afternoon. Today we are going to do number system, which is my have discussed very earlier with you all. Today I am going to discuss all that things with you again. Good afternoon, Sharon. आरती गिल ज्वाइन करके वापस चलेगी. Hello, Jagjeet. I'm waiting for 2 to 3 minutes so that students can join. After that, we will start our things. Good afternoon, Ravina. I'm fine. What about you all? I thought Aarti left, but Aarti has done Minu Saggar. Minu Saggar. Good afternoon, Manpreet. Aarti Gill, are you facing connectivity issues? Waiting for 2 to 3 minutes so that everyone can join. After it, with how many students are there? It doesn't. I will not can and will start with my work. Good afternoon, Aarti. Are you facing connectivity issues? बिकॉज अब ज्वाइन करते हो फिर चले जाते हो, ज्वाइन करते हो फिर चले जाते हो. स्टार्ट करें. अच्छा, व्हाट आर नंबर्स? What are numbers? Can you explain? Explain them. Explain what is a number. Yes. Wait. Look at the board. See, we have 10 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 10 symbols that are used to represent a number. That are used to represent a number. ठीक है, और a group of numbers, a group of digits denoting a number is called numeral. A number is called numeral. Now with example I am going to explain this. Good afternoon, Tamanna. See, I have written 143. ठीक है ना, 143. Then this is a number. This whole group of digits, 10 symbols से बनाई. This is a number. These all are digits and its group. And ये जो इनको हम एक साथ कहते हैं न्यूमरल. समझ लग गई बच्चे? Got it? Tell me. यार कोई बोलो तो सही, समझ लगी है या नहीं? 143. This is a group of digits and whole group is called number. ठीक है, बट डिजिट्स को अगर हम एक साथ बोलते तो कहते हैं न्यूमरल 143. नंबर इज 143. ओके, ओके, समझ लग गई? 10 symbols used to describe a number. Means this is 143. 143 is a number. A group of digits denoting a number. This is denoting a digit. So 143 is a numeral. 143 is a numeral. 143 is a number. And 1, 4 and 3 are digits. समझ लगी? Got it or not? Next चलूं? Shall I move further? नेक्स्ट ध्यान से सुनना. आपको पता है करोड़, 10 करोड़ दिए, वो मैं एक नंबर बोलती हूँ 1 4 3 2 4 6 5 7. okay, this is at ones place, this is at tens place, this is at 100, this is at 1000, this is at 10,000 place, this is at lakh, this is at 10 lakhs, this is as crores, and अगर मैं यहाँ पे this is at 10 crores. समझ लगी? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then 10 crore. What I repeat, Muskan? 2 1 4 3 2 4 6 5 7. This is at ones place, 5 is at tens place, 6 is at 100, 4 is at 1000, 2 is at 10,000, 3 is at lakh, 4 is at 10 lakh, 1 is at crore, and 2 is at 10 crores. Got it, you all? Now, what is the 0? This is at 10 raised to the power 0 place, 10 raised to the power 1, 10 raised to the power 3, 10 raised to the power 4, 10 raised to the power 5, 10 raised to the power 6, 10 raised to the power 7, 10 raised to the power 8. ओके 7 जैसे अगर हमने 5 लिख रहे हैं ना 57 तो ये वंस है ये टेंस है नहीं मैं ऐसे नहीं समझाऊंगी ये देखना 7 है ना 7 is at ones place we call that 7 into 10 raised to the power 0 that is 7 into 1 that is 7 okay if it comes out to be 57 then how will it write 5 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 raised to the power 0. This is 50 plus 7. This is 57. Okay? ये चीज समझ लग गई है बच्चे समझ लग गई है या नहीं it's at very low level but I am explaining it just because some students might not be knowing it. Now come out to be place value or local value. Place value or local value. Place value or local value like we have number 4 1 3 2. Then what is the place value of 3? 3 into 10 raised to the power 1 that is 30 is the place value. Okay, 30 is the place value. What is the place value? 4. 4 into 10 raised to the power 3 that is 4000 is the place value. This all is place value. Then what is face value? 2 is the face value. Only number is the face value. Only number is face value. Hello Ritesh, after a very long time, बच्चे 2 to 3 classes you have missed, right? Got it or not? इतना सबको क्लियर है प्लेस वैल्यू एंड फेस वैल्यू और दिस मच इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल what we are going to do next type of numbers and you are going to tell me type of numbers. First tell me what is a natural number. What is a natural numbers? Natural numbers कौन से होते हैं? What are natural numbers? 1 to infinity is a natural number. And what are Shana? Shana, good afternoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Press dot 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 dot. That are. Bacha, you have not attended the class for last 2 to 3 times. Why so? What are whole numbers? Yes, whole numbers start from 0 and natural number starts from 1. Whole numbers start from 0 and natural number starts from 1. Very good. What are integers? What are integers? Can anyone tell me what are integers? Anyone who can explain the things. What is an integer? इंटीजर क्या होता है? ये जिसमें पॉजिटिव नंबर्स भी आ जाते हैं, नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी आ जाते हैं और जीरो भी आ जाता है. दैट आर इंटीजर्स. यस, वेरी गुड. Now integers are of 3 types: positive, negative, non-positive and non-negative. Positive 1, 2, 3 are positive integers, negative integers are minus 1, 2. Non-positive 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Non-negative are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay or not? What are even numbers? What are even numbers? Numbers that are divisible by 2. Yes, numbers that are divisible by 2 is called even number. And what are odd numbers? What are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. What is 1, 3, 5, 7? Not divisible. The number that is not divisible by 2. जो 2 के साथ divisible नहीं होते, that are odd number. हम उन्हें ये नहीं कहते divisible by 3. Now 25 is divisible by, not divisible by 3, but it is an even number. Yes, 25 is not divisible by 3, but it is even number. 6 but it's an even number. Okay, 7 is divisible by 3, but it is an even number. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you all. Even and odd numbers. That even numbers are those that are divisible by 2, and odd numbers are those that are not divisible by 2. Right? Shana, you have logged in from 2 or there are 2, Shana? There is Shana and Shana. We see video cut. But no, from my side network strength is full today. I am facing issue last week and everything is okay from here, beta. My signal strength is going full and wait. Yes, मेरा webcam मिल गया. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Okay, now next thing. Hemant is going to tell me what are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? No one knows what is a prime number. Anybody can tell me. That left one, what is that? That left one. What is this? That left one. What is this, bache? Muskan, explain me your concept. Otherwise, I will explain you, bache. No need to be worried. No after division that left one. No, this is not a number that is divisible by only 1 in the number itself. Like 11. 11 can be divided by 1 in the number itself. The number is called a prime number. Like iPhone. ये क्या है हेमंत? I am really shocked about your answer. And I am thinking what can be that? हेमंत एक्सप्लेन और मैं अपना शुरू करूं. ऐसे एग्जाम्पल दे दिए भाई. ऐसे के एग्जाम्पल्स ना दिया कर. तू मेरे लेक्चर को ही उल्टा पुल्टा कर देगा. ओके. Now what are composite numbers? And 2 is the only even prime number. Remember, 2 is the only even prime number. बाकी सारे प्राइम नंबर ऑड होते हैं. 2 is the only even prime number. फाइन. समझ है इस चीज की. 2 is the only even prime number. What are composite numbers? Number greater than 1 which are not prime is called a composite number. Like 4. 4 is not a prime number, so it will be a composite number. Okay. 27. 27 is not a prime number, therefore it is a composite number. What? A number formed by multiplying by two integers? No. A number greater than 1, which is not a prime, is called composite number. Okay, fine. What are co-prime numbers? जिनका हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर दैट HCF जिनका आपस में 1 होता है, दैट नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड co-primes. The number whose HCF is 1 are known as co-primes, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 8, 11. They all are called co-primes numbers. इतना क्लियर है? इतना कंसेप्ट क्लियर है? तो मैं आगे डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट शुरू करवाऊं. बच्चे वेट फॉर अ मिनट. Now come divisibility test. Divisibility test. Can anyone can tell me divisibility test for 2? 2 का divisibility test बता सकते हो? बताओ. Divisibility test for 2. The number that ends with ये 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 पे जो नंबर एंड करते हैं, लास्ट में जिनके 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 आता है, ओके, दैट आर डिविजिबल बाय 2. अच्छा, आपको ऐसे पता चलेगा 4, 3, 2, 3, 2 एन में 2 है, डिविजिबल बाय 2. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 3? 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट क्या है? शना, यू विल नॉट टेल, आई विल स्टूडेंट टेल मी. ओके, सोफिया, tell me the divisibility test for 3. It's a very low level question. 3 का divisibility test बताइए. सोफिया, tell me yes if you know it and tell me no if you don't know it. Sophia, I want to see how many of you are attentive. Okay, Sanjay and Ribika, tell me fast, yes or no. If yes, then write the answer. Are you there in the class? Divisibility test for 3. मैंने 2 का बताया, मैं 3 का पूछ रही हूँ. Divisibility test for 3. Anyone who know? The number that ends with 0, 4, 2, 6, 8 मीन्स नंबर जिसके एंड में या 2 आ जाए या 4 आ जाए या 6 आ जाए या 8 या 0, दैट इज मीन्स फिर वो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होगा. मीन्स फिर वो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड, sum divided by 3. Right. Suppose we have a number this. Then we'll sum all the digits. 4 plus 3 plus 2 and now 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So this number will be divisible by 3. Okay. Okay. 8, 3, 4. 8 plus 3 plus 4. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3. You can also calculate. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 8, 3, 4 will be divisible by 3. Now 3 to the 6. 3 7 are 21 and this. 278 is divisible by 3. 278 is divisible by 3. So the number is 834. जैसे सम उसका डिविजिबल है तो नंबर भी डिविजिबल है. ओके. Okay, Shana, don't speak. Tell me divisibility test for 4. बच्चे सबको आता है divisibility test for 4. Okay, no one knows. 4 2 3 2. ये जो नंबर है ना इसके लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स देखने हैं. अगर ये 4 से डिवाइड होते हैं तो ये पूरा नंबर 4 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. If last 2 digits are divided by 4, then the whole number will be divided by 4. डन. सबको समझ आ रहा है? जितने आप 15 बैठे हो बच्चे, आपको कैलकुलेशंस में ये सब शॉर्टकट्स बन जाते हैं. मींस when the number comes to you and you have to cut into a simple fraction, so you can use a simple shortcuts to check whether it can be go on. Hemant, why you give such smileys like blank one? It really doesn't sound good. Now what is the divisibility test for 5? डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 5। ये तो बहुत इजी है, ये तो शना के नो शना, आई नो यू नो, आई नो यू नो, बट बाकी किसी को नहीं पता, संजय को पता है। लास्ट डिजिट 5 एंड 0, राइट, 4320, लास्ट डिजिट इज 2, द नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 5। 4325, last digit is 5, the number will be divisible by 5. Very easy test for 5. ओके, जो नंबर 0 और 5 से एंड होता है वो नंबर 5 से डिवाइड होता है। ओके, जॉनी डी ने भी बताया, वेरी गुड। डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 6, ये जो बताएगा एक्सेप्ट शना, वो मेरी नजर में इंटेलिजेंट है। हाँ, हेमंत ने बता दिया। व्हाट इज 2 3? हेमंत, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज 2 3। जो डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट 2 का भी सेटिस्फाई करे, जो डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट 3 का भी सेटिस्फाई करे, वो नंबर 6 से डिवाइड होगा। मीन जो 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड होता है वो 6 से डिवाइड होगा। वेरी गुड। व्हाट इज द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 8? There is no divisibility test for 7. There is no divisibility test for 7. Okay. Now divisibility test for 8. 8. Shana, stop. Hemant will tell. Divisibility test for 8. Hemant will tell. And for 9, Manish will tell. Kindly don't search on Google. हेमंत हम सबको बेवकूफ बनाता है, वो पढ़ता है लेकिन बताता नहीं है, कभी भी कोई आंसर अच्छे से नहीं देता। जिस नंबर के लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स अगर 8 से डिवाइड होते हैं तो पूरा नंबर 8 से डिवाइड होता है, तो पूरा नंबर 8 से डिवाइड होता है। ओके, व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट? 7 का नहीं होता, 7 का मुझे मेरी नॉलेज में नहीं है शना। इफ यू नो यू कैन शेयर विद मी, इफ यू नो यू कैन शेयर, आई डोंट हैव। Shana will tell us the divisibility test for 7. Double the last digit and subtract from rest. Like if I have 749, double the last digit. I have doubled it, 81, and subtracted, and it's come out to be 7. Okay, very good, very good. But if the number is Shana, like, let me tell you, if the number is 7490, okay, 7490, I have doubled it, 0, and minus, then I am again left with 7490, right? So divisibility test, if I have 1 4 3 2 7, है ना, मैं इसमें से अब 14 माइनस कर देती हूँ, ये तो बहुत बड़ा बन गया ना, फिर मैं ऐसे कर करके देखी जाऊंगी। बच्चे ऐसे तो ये 5 पे भी जा रहे हैं, लेकिन ये 1070 बी बन रहा है। सो व्हाट यू से शना, इज द डिविजिबिलिटी फॉर 7 इज करेक्ट? Actually, when you join various institution na, तो they give you the things that might not be feasible in many things. Yes, that's why I skip it. When you have a shortcuts na, just take one drastic example. Drastic in the way, बिग सा नंबर लो, बिग सा नंबर लो, उसमें देखो वो फिल होती है या नहीं। नहीं तो छोटे नंबर्स पे तो आप खुद भी करके देख सकते हो, बट मैंने तो बहुत छोटा लिया। एक्सेप्शंस आर देयर, बट मैंने कभी नहीं सुना था डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 7। बट इफ यू हैव लिसन, वी विल kept in this mind, sometime it's work and sometime it doesn't। मीन जो 7 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट है वो किसी सिचुएशन में वर्क कर सकता है, किसी सिचुएशन में नहीं कर सकता। ओके, double the last number subtracted from the rest and the answer, if the answer is divisible by 7, then the number will be divisible by 7। okay, yes, these are just for trick and we can use it, Shana। मीन्स बच्चे पता क्या होता है, कुछ बच्चों के लिए ट्रिक बन जाएगी, कुछ बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे, बट फिर भी मैं बता रही हूँ जो बच्चे यूज कर सके वो कर ले। And it's very good, you know, I didn't know that, from you today I learned the new thing। Thanks। 7 4 मतलब कि 7 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट क्या है, हम लास्ट डिजिट लेंगे, उसे 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो बाकी का नंबर रह गया उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। अगर वो नंबर 7 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो हमारा नंबर 7 से डिविजिबल है। लाइक वी हैव 84, 84, we will double the last number, that is 4 to the 8, and we subtract it from the rest, and 0 is always divisible by 7, so 84 will be divisible by 7। okay Hemant, am I clear? Am I clear to you all? Now tell me the divisibility test for 9. Anyone? Okay, 84 minus 8. But 76 is not divisible by 7. Sure, but 76 is not divisible by 7. And you said subtract it from the rest of the number. So मुझे नहीं लगता, अगर ये ऐसे है तो ये ठीक नहीं है। सॉरी टू से, फिर ये डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट वर्क नहीं करता। But you said subtract it from the rest of the number. It works on this। 7 4 9 ले, 9 into the 18, 18 में से माइनस कर, it's come out to be 52। Divisibility test of 7 doesn't try the divisibility test for 7, it doesn't work, does not try। okay, then divisibility test for 9 is sum of, yes, if the sum of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9, and very easy। divisibility test for 10, divisibility test for 10, very easy। yes, the number that ends with 0 is divisible by 10। We have left with 15। Anybody tell me the divisibility test for 11? Divisibility test for 11. Meenu. Meenu Saggar will tell me. Divisibility test for 11. Meenu Saggar will tell me. No. The sum of number is divisible by 11. No. We have the number 483278. ओके, हम इवन डिजिट और ऑड डिजिट वाले नंबर सेपरेट कर लेंगे. हम पहले ऑड वाले लेंगे. 8 प्लस 7 प्लस 3 प्लस 4, ये क्या है? 22. 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 8, 22 minus 11. 11 is divisible by 11, so this number will be divisible by 11. Means odd minus even is sum of odd digit number minus sum of even digit number. अगर इसका सब्ट्रैक्ट डिविजिबल होता है 11 से, तो नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. Divisibility test for 12. If the number is divisible by both 4 and 3, अगर कोई नंबर बोथ 4 and 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होता है, डिवाइड होता है, तो वो 12 से डिवाइड होता है. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then the number is divisible by 12. Okay. Divisibility test for 14. If the number is both divisible by 2 and 7, then number is divisible by 14. And what will be the divisibility test for 15? Can anyone tell me divisibility test for 15? Can anyone tell me divisibility test for 15? Three and 5. Very good. Divisibility test for 16. और 16 में 16 से कैसे करेंगे? 16 में लास्ट 4 डिजिट देखेंगे। If this last 4 digit is divisible by 16, then the number is divisible by 16. If the last 4 digit is divisible by 16, then the number is divisible by 16. Okay? Okay? If the number ऐसे ही चलेंगे 24 if it is divisible by 3 and 8, 40 if it is divisible by 5 and 8, 18 if it is divisible by 5 and 16. Okay? बच्चे आपको बेसिक फॉर्मूलाज आते हैं लाइक a plus b का होल स्क्वायर, और shall I write it down या मैं लिखूं? Tomorrow I can ask anyone a basic formulas. I can ask anyone a basic formula for anything. What? Addition, subtraction tricks. What, Hemant? एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की क्या ट्रिक्स होती है? उसमें कोई ट्रिक्स नहीं होती। अगर तुझे 999 माइनस करना तो 1000 माइनस करके -1 कर ले, ऐसे ही कुछ दिमाग से। एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की ट्रिक्स नहीं होती, मल्टीप्लिकेशन की होती है। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू द ट्रिक ऑफ मल्टीप्लाइंग टू नंबर्स, 2 digit numbers then 3 digits number. I have explained it earlier also. If you have not attended the classes, then learn it here. Okay? First multiply this two. 3 to the 6, then 4 to the 8, 8 plus 9 is 70. 7 comes out here and 1 is carry. 4 is a 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1376 is the answer. शना किस शॉर्टकट से किया? तूने पहले क्लास लगाई हुई है। 54 into 27. 7 4s are 28. 8 is here and 2 is carry. 2 4s are 8. 7 5s are 35. And it's come out to be 45. 5 is here. 4 is carry. 5 2s are 10 and the number is 14. So the answer will be 1458. समझ लगी बच्चे? समझ लगी है या नहीं? हेमंत ये तेरे लिए नया था? Okay, I will explain. 43 into 64. 43 into 64. 4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 12 आ गया. 2 यहाँ पे 1 क्या है? कैरी. ओके. 6 3 जा 18. 4 4 जा 16. Add 8 1 plus 9 9 6 15 and this is 35. 5 is here and 3 is carry. 6 4 जा 24 and this comes out to be 27. We will write 27. Got it? समझ लग गई? अभी भी किसी को समझ ना लगी हो? बलजीत, शरण, गुरप्रीत को समझ नहीं लगी. Again I have to repeat it. जो को नहीं लगी. I am explaining to you again in a very clear manner now. मैं एक ही बार समझाऊंगी and hope with a hope. 42 into 64. Okay. 4 2s are 4 into 2. 8 0 8 मीन ये वाला यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ये नेक्स्ट टर्म के लिए कैरी चला जाएगा. ओके. 6 2s are 12 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कैरी वाले के नीचे रख रही हूँ. 4 4 the 16. Then I am going to add this 3. Okay. 8 28. Now ये लिख लूंगी. 2 is a carry. Now I will multiply this with this. 6 4 the 24. Now add this is 26 and this comes out to be 2688. अब लगी समझ? शरण, जॉनी, गुरप्रीत, बलजीत, अब लगी? पहले ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है फिर ऐसे ऐड. समझ लगी है? This is shortcut for multiplication of 2 digits number. Tomorrow I will explain you the shortcut for 3-digit number. Till then, practice this shortcut and get expert in this. This will help you out in a very good manner. Okay. We will discuss shortcut on division and everything also. Now I am going to do the numbers fully as I have done many problem sums. Then next week Saturday we will have test on whole numbers. What happened, Manish? You didn't get it. 4 2s are 8. 0 8. 8 will be returned and 0 will be carried. 6 2s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Cross multiply. Then add. Then it is 28. 8 here and 2 is carry. Then we will multiply the number at 10's place. That is 6 4s are 24 and this is 26. 4 plus 2 and we will write. And this is our answer. We hope you got it. And on next Saturday we will have test. Till then you do start practicing with maths. And last time test सिर्फ 3 बच्चों ने दिया, 3 to 4, and it is not at all a good thing. बच्चे was not able to connect to the class. The test was not live. Okay, and I know I have not uploaded the question because there is some problem going on at home, and I didn't get time to upload the answers. Yes, सबका लेना. Next Saturday I will announce 5 chapters. 5 chapters, and you will get 50, 35 to 40 questions. You will get 35 to 40 questions. Practice hard. Okay. God bless you all. Take care. Someone is typing, and who is typing and on? Victor, why are you late?